What's up, y'all? It's your girl Eb, and today we are doing something new. I have a brand ambassador coming in, and I'm gonna be styling her, showing y'all how to do a couple styles. I don't know if I'm gonna do a swoop, the little twist. I don't know, y'all see. I'll put the little clips right here. Make sure y'all like the video and subscribe if y'all not already subscribed.
You see, I'm coming back to back with it, man. And if you made it this far with me, then that mean you ready to go all the way with me. It's Youngsteroni, the young tenderoni, aka 336. Hold on. Please do not lie to me, girl. No Milwaukee, just keep it a buck. I know you ain't lie to me, girl. When you told me you want me to fuck, I'm giving you shit that you need. I hit from the back on my knees. She calling me daddy, I'm calling her mama. She pushing me back when I'm deeper, yeah. You already know how it go. This sex is amazing, I'm driving her crazy. She tell me don't leave her alone. I know just what she need, I provide it steadily. I let her get hers first and then she patiently wait for me. She say give it to me, put it on me. It's ecstasy. Tell me you're not addicted. Don't second guess the things we did. It was just between us.
So today we did a swoop with the baby hairs, dramatic baby hairs. And what else am I supposed to say? I'm Bria, and my Instagram is TheRealPriaK. I do YouTube and I do lashes. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all later. Period.